Hey, good evening. Today I have a question for all of you. Has it ever happened to you that you stumble upon a beautiful place by chance? It wasn't there on your right plan, nor was it prominent on Google Maps. Yet it just caught your eye and you followed your curiosity and you happened to find a beautiful spot not known to many. Well, all of this happened today morning. Don't believe me? See for yourselves.
Good morning, lovely people. I've completely forgotten how a typical Sunday morning ride feels. It's been that long. Let's go. Beautiful sunrise. Wow. So about today, I'll be telling you everything about our entire ride. Hang in there. But before that, I'm super excited today because a very good friend of mine, rather an elder brother to me, is going to join me for his very first ride with me on his brand new motorcycle. So we are just going to pick him up and head towards our meeting point. हाँ भाई, गुड मॉर्निंग.
मॉर्निंग भाई बाहर गेलो नी
हाँ ମୁଁ ତମ ଘର ସାମ୍ନାରେ just I was about to call you.
अच्छा आई थिंक आई सॉ योर बाइक दैट मास
आराम से आसो. I'm waiting. There is no hurry. There you are. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Mr. Anshuman Panda, aka the Panda Man. Good morning. So I've known Anshuman Bhai since a long time. Rather, I know him from school. But it was until lockdown that I came to know that he also collects Hot Wheels, and post that we have an amazing thing to bond on. So yeah, let's first go to the meeting point and I'll see you there. The GT 650 looks sick and it suits Anshuman Bhai as well. Brilliant. Alright, so we are heading towards our meeting point, that is the Odisha Judicial Academy. For today's ride, that is sort of the midpoint for everyone from Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. So we have kept Odisha Judicial Academy as our meeting point and we'll be gathering up all there. Look who's with us!
I saw him and I immediately recognized him.
Panda man looks sick, bro.
Empty the helmet तेरा मिलेगी.
So this is Brijraj, another Hot Wheels collector. आर रूटटा काई नो एपटे काई
So we try to avoid highways.
हाँ गुड. How long will you take to come back? कितने बेला आसीबा वापस? How long will it take to reach Khandagiri and back?
So we are hoping to be back by 8:30, 9 o'clock now.
Fuck bro, are you riding a cycle or a bike? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Anshuman Panda in our vlog today. So we are at Odisha Judicial Academy and we are waiting for a few other riders to join up. Speaking about today, we are riding to a very beautiful sunset or sunrise point, whatever you may call it. It so happened that our very own explorer Sajal Seth was on his daily cycling route and he stumbled upon this very beautiful place. Following his instincts, he quickly took a detour and found a very beautiful spot known as Mamu Bhanoja Pahado. In Hindi, it's known as Mamu Bhanja Hill. We'll talk about the hill in detail when we reach there. But now, let's start riding. So we are taking the route through CDA towards Dhabaleshwar via the newly constructed Madhusudan Setu. And after crossing the river, we'll be taking a detour near the village Kakhadi. A small trail leads towards the Mamu Bhanoja Pahado or the Mamu Bhanja Hill. So there are around 15 people joining for the ride, and it's good that the numbers are low because you know how the situation is. COVID-19 second wave is on its spree. Now few of us, you will be saying that during COVID you should not ride. I completely agree with all of you, and only a few of us were planning to go, and we have maintained all the COVID-19 precautions, such as we are maintaining social distance and we are not allowing any pillion to ride with us. Also, we are trying to avoid having breakfast from food joints as much as possible. Me personally, I have carried my water bottle, I have carried my glucose bottle, as well as a few packets of biscuits for my breakfast, which I'll be having on top of the hill. So I'll be having a breakfast with a view today. Beautiful sunrise out there. Wow. Wow, what an amazing route. And there you have the first glimpse of the Mamu Bhanoja Pahado or the Mamu Bhanja Hill that we are riding to. Sort of like we are being welcomed by these trees. And we are going to climb on top of it. So the trek is somewhere around 300 feet and 30-40% there is good roads to walk on. But beyond that you have to literally climb. So be careful and watch your steps. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about this place. This place is called Mamu Bhonaja Pahad for a reason, and whatever story that I heard from Sajal Bhai is that couple of years earlier, probably some centuries earlier, an uncle and his nephew came up to the top of this mountain for hunting, obviously, because earlier this place was filled up with wild animals, wild birds rather. So probably they came in for hunting, and out of nowhere it started raining, hailstorm and thunderstorm. And as you know that this hill is on a good amount of height, some 300 foot. It acts as a tower, and it attracted some heavy lightnings, due to which it struck some of the rocks out here, and the uncle and his nephew were probably crushed under this rock, the two rocks that you saw right now. So that's the reason it's called Mamu Bhonaja Hill, and the bigger one is called the Mamu Hill, and the smaller one is called the Bhonaja Hill, which means basically the bigger one is the uncle and the smaller one is the nephew. So that's the history that I got to know about from Sajal Bhai. Sajal Bhai is actually busy trekking, so I couldn't include him in the vlog right now, but definitely if I get a chance I'll bring him in. So we have the man of the hour, Sajal Seth, the man who found this place for us. So he's going to tell us more about this. Sajal bhai, what is this? Why is this place known as Mamu Bhonaja Hill?
मैं हिंदी में बताता हूँ. लोकल्स हम लोग जब आए थे लास्ट वीक, तब लोकल्स लोग ने जो स्टोरी यहाँ का किंवदंती बोल सकते हैं वो बताया था. वो बेसिकली ये है कि जब ये सब फॉरेस्ट एरिया था सालों पहले, सदियों पहले, तब एक मामा और एक भांजा उसका दोनों हिल टॉप में चढ़े थे शिकार करने. और वो अपना उड़ीसा में तो एंटीना है, बिजली बिजली बहुत गिरता है. तो जब बारिश या बिजली हुआ, वो लोग दोनों वो दोनों पहाड़ के जो टॉप में दो पत्थर है, मामू पत्थर, एक भांजा पत्थर बोलते हैं, वहाँ खड़े थे और बिजली आया, वो लोग दोनों वहाँ दब के मर गए. इसलिए लोकल लोग उसका नाम दे दिए मामू और भांजा. बड़ा वाला जो है मामू पत्थर, छोटा वाला भांजा पत्थर.
ओके.
तो दिस इज लाइक दैट ओनली.
तो
और ये विलेज का नाम हम लोग ने
बहुतपुर.
बहुतपुर है.
करेक्ट.
और कटक से हाई कोर्ट से अराउंड 18 किलोमीटर है.
और यहाँ पे आने का बेस्ट टाइम कौन सा है?
बेस्ट टाइम आप ठंडी में आओ या अगस्त सितंबर से मार्च तक ठीक है. गर्मी में थोड़ा और है. और सनराइज और सनसेट यहाँ बेस्ट दिखेगा.
राइट. यहाँ पे हर जगह से सनराइज
सनसेट ऊपर
हाँ,
में
ये बढ़िया
360
है
डिग्री है.
हाँ.
सनसेट में बहुत सारे 5-6 बड़े बड़े माउंटेन्स यहाँ दिखते हैं.
जी जी जी.
और इस तरफ में भी कपिलास रेंज और काफ़ी पत्थर दिखते हैं.
Right,
पहाड़
right.
दिखते हैं.
Alright, Sajal bhai, thank you so much.
थैंक यू. बाय.
Thank you for the information. So we have Mr. Anshuman right now with us, the Panda Man, and we'll ask him what his experience was. So Anshuman bhai, how did you feel riding with us out to this place for the first time early in the morning on your brand new motorcycle?
So this is the first time I think I'm riding with a group. Obviously have not been very far off, but it definitely
There's
gave
always
me,
a point where you start.
yeah, and this was a good point to start. I think I learned quite a much, quite
Yeah,
a bit about
those signs were
yeah,
new,
yeah,
right?
yeah, about riding in a pack, as well as learning how to navigate the
Yeah.
routes. Yeah.
Basically, so why do I like XBHP so much is that there is no fuss while riding in this particular group. Simply they create an event, and if you are interested you can just join up, and a couple of days earlier they'll just open a chat room on Facebook, and you will be given all the details like I shared with you yesterday.
Right.
So there's no WhatsApp group, and there's no fuss that always there's a discussion going on something or the other. So yeah, the experiences are always great. We went camping to Mahendragiri with XBHP, and it was one hell of an experience. That camping.
The XPHP family is pretty big. I mean,
Yeah.
I've
It's pretty.
followed them on Instagram
It's
for a long
it's
time.
now all over India, and it has a good fan base. And recently we had the road trip
Yeah.
United guys
Yeah,
come
yeah,
on,
yeah.
and we had
Yeah.
the get together. It was one quite experience.
But this trekking was something else, huh?
This is a small trek, but still, since we are not that fit, it took a toll on us. But yeah, it has its own joys.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that we are done over here, we'll be heading to the base of the cliff, and then we'll ride on home.
So, how did you like the place? Did I not tell you that it's beautiful? Well, that's all for the video, and if you like what I'm doing, then do not. I repeat, do not leave the channel without subscribing. drop in a like and a beautiful comment if you wish to. And in case you want to reach out to me for any queries or promotions, write to me on the below email ID or simply hit me up on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.